kids! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read The Great Cake Contest. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then, let's start! The Great Cake Contest. Lucky loves cake. He is so happy that the Great Cake Contest is in town. What cake can I bake? He thinks. I know! I can make a pancake! Shouts Lucky. He walks to Pancho's house to share his idea. But she already beat him to it. Or what if I made a carrot cake? He wonders. He goes to tell Nini his plan, but she had the same idea. What about baking a black forest cake? He rushes to tell Kimas what he's come up with. But he's too late. On the way to Tabi's house, he thinks, let me just make a Christmas cake. But Tabi already made that happen. What other cake can I bake? He asks himself. How about a chocolate mousse cake? He arrives at Linda's house, but oh no, he was too slow. Lucky gets an idea. I will make a roly-poly cake. He gets to Zula's house, but she's way ahead of him. Lucky feels sad when he gets home because he's out of ideas. He asks his family to help him think about what great cake he can bake. Mama, Papa, and his big sister Musa all put their heads together to help him enter the Great Cake Contest. The cake is so big, so wide, so tall, that it begins to wobble, 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 and fall. Oh no! Everyone at the Great Cake Contest is covered in cake. Where are the judges? Where are the contestants? Where is Lucky? The judges munch and chomp their way out and everyone agrees. Lucky is winner of the Great Cake Contest. What cake would you bake? So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye!